Okay, I'm here on the other part of the falls, on the other side of the park, the Minneopa Falls. So, I got like 2% left battery on my phone, so it may cut off. But I just wanted you to get a view of the falls. And here's the other side. And there was a wedding actually just going on. It's raining out here. It's a little cold, but it's still very beautiful. I just wanted you to check out this natural scenery in Minnesota. And Minnesota is actually a very beautiful place to live, apart from some of, the other issues, but natural landscape and a very clean state. Oh, go ahead. How you doing? All right. Yeah, it's very nice.